Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka sarkar jylla lingba ka Tnad Sports Youth Affairs kala penkop burom ya ki nongialehkai bat ki coach jong ka jylla ki bala khurtakma ha ka limpong yelehkai 5th Meghalaya Olympic Games kabrang shudap long hauni ubnai kala lingkon bat ka Khelo India ya kabala long ha susotham auditorium men ha ka santrik urimpang kum ka jingkentiu ya ka kam yelehkai ha ka jylla ya ka ba ka jylla kala kham kiu ba ha ka rukom penyat ya ka jingilehkai na kaliang ukonrat ulapan pauru ba ujuyai ban ya ki samla ban betenenti ban kentiu ya ki para samla ha ka ba ki don kasap baginyo ya ka lawe ba pernai jongki ulapan sngau kum ka sarkar ka rega jingkir kli ka jongki ban yaram yaki khna ban kentiu yaki ha ka sap ka bakidon ula ongru ba ka jingpelong ya ka ne ka limpong yelehkai ka don ka jingmun ka ba songkhya na ka benta ka longdin jong ka jylla bat yaki nong songshnong.
The Honourable Minister for Health. You all the very best and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that we have achieved. Friends, this week is a very, very important week for our state. In fact, this week we are celebrating our youth. And though we have not called it as an official youth week, but every activity that we are having is actually connected with the youth. Starting with this youth sports achievers awards and cash awards that we're giving out today, throughout this entire week, we will be also celebrating different entrepreneurs and also in different aspects of music. We'll be having many, many programs throughout this week where we would like to really focus and bring out the achievers in our different disciplines, in sports, in music, in entrepreneurship. And the idea being that we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. Motivate them to go into the right things in life. So therefore, it's not just about getting a medal or getting an award today. It's really becoming a role model for others. You may not realize it, but you already are role models for the rest of the 12 lakh youths that we have in our state today. You are the 1,000 who have received medals, and the rest of the 12 lakh youth of our state today look up to you, to get motivated and to be inspired by each and every one of you. And that's really what we are trying to do out here today, is to really bring you in front and showcase that how our youth's talent and how the kind of skills that you have, that nothing can stop you. And I really hope and wish that each and every one of you achieves much more in the coming years, days and years ahead.
Nothing from the government. The government doesn't support us in any way. And that was a turning point in 2018 when I heard those words. And it is those words and that sense of commitment that I could see in their eyes that motivated me to make sure that we are able to support. I know we cannot do everything, but we are there to walk hand in hand with you, shoulder to shoulder, to ensure that we are able to improve things. And I'm sure that you have seen the changes in the last 5 years a lot of work has been done, but this would not have been possible without the work of the associations. So really, I would like to congratulate the associations and the MSOA for all the hard work that has been put in. I only would like to suggest that we need to activate the district organizations. I would like to see that more and more sports activities are taking place at the district level, more and more competitions are taking place at the district level, because until and unless we don't promote it at the district level, we will not be able to bring out the talent that is there at the grassroots. So my sincere strengthen the district organizations, and from the government side, we will be there to support you and to help you in every possible way so that we are able to take things forward. So with these few words,
the Tnad football team we have Tanggam G Women, One Botlang Walang, Riman Krau Kadam Noy, Taybok Nongrong, Dipush G Marak, Firstborn Roy Concert, Neban Nangkil Kaba, Sam Chakrang Lato, Taybor Mane Compare, Colin Lindo, Esther Sauchang CH Sangma, Badonbor Marvanyang, Babitlang Walang, Nebantam Linti Marshalling, Chibatki Pampi, the Ohi Paya Rumbai, Time to call out now, Ronald Kapamor, Nebanai Bokurba, the coach, the head coach, Jeffrey Wallerty, and the assistant coach, Benelas Trier. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone! We are indeed very, very proud for you all. I invite the captain and the coach to receive the award on behalf of all the players. 3 cheers for my team!
They are the champions of the Khelo India Youth Games. Proud moment for us all. After the winners of the football, I request the winners from boxing.
Judo athletes, can get ready. Cheerful Susi, please come forward. Global G Moment, please come forward. Bangladesh Jasan, please come forward. Rani Hajong and Real Grace Sukini.
After judo, we will move on to Tnad Sports. You're invited to please come on stage and collect your award.
We shall now move on to the sports discipline, the Karate Do. We have Ferguson L. Lincoln from East Coast gold medal. From volleyball, swimming, Bantan Chongwan from East Coast, please come forward.
For bringing pride to our state, and the awards which our Honourable Chief, we hope will once again serve to encourage you to strive to do even better in the field of games and sports. We have had a very, very active year, although the year is only 2 months old. And this year as well, we have many, many programs together with our...
Thank you, Madam, for the introductory speech. And thank you, Madam.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we dive into the imprints, a group of talented individuals who will grace us with an indelible imprint in your heart.
Sing along.
I've made it feel. I've had my share in my
each and every one of you, all the athletes who have won, all the athletes who have participated, and out of 3,000 athletes, 900 athletes have won medals. So I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I believe the 5th Meghalaya Games that was held in Pura was a huge success. But to make the 5th Meghalaya Games a huge success, it was a contribution of everyone, dedication, hard work and teamwork. And I believe without you, the athletes, adjusting to whatever the government has to prepare for you, I believe without the dedication and hard work of all the associations, the district administration, the 5th Meghalaya Games edition would have never been a success. But nonetheless, it was a huge success, and I'm very, very happy that we announced on the 5th Meghalaya Games that we will be distributing cash awards to all the athletes who have won medals. And I just want to congratulate you, each and everyone. And I want to tell you one thing, especially all the athletes, that this is not the end. You have won, now you'll be receiving the cash awards, but then we should always have a mindset, set a goal to achieve more and more, to go to greater heights. And for that, to achieve all that, you have to work hard, you have to be dedicated. We, the government, are dedicated to work hand in hand with you to provide you the best of the best so that you great things in life.